Welcome to this lecture. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss about JCheckBox menu item in Java. JCheckBox menu item class represents the checkbox which can be included on a menu. And checkbox menu item can have text or a generic icon or both associated with it. Menu item can be selected or deselected. Menu item can be configured and controlled by an action. Now we just see the example of this menu uh, items checkbox menu items, and here I just import a library of java.awt.event, and then here I just write key event here. Okay, and this is event dot key event. Then I just import java x dot swing dot j check box library, and here I just write menu item. Then I just import java x dot swing and swing dot j frame. So afterwards I just import one another library which is java x dot swing dot j menu, java x dot swing dot j menu bar for the menu bar library, and this is import java x dot swing dot j menu items library for the j menu item. Now we have the class name which is checkbox menu item example, and then inside the class I just create a main method, so public void main, and here I just write final as a keyword and then strings and argument. Now j frame, which is the frame object, and new j frame. So I just create a frame here and then I just write the name of the frame which is simple frame. Now frame dot set default on close operation, and which is j frame dot exit on close, and afterwards I just write menu bar, which is menu bar, and which is equal to new j menu bar. Okay, so this is our j menu bar what I create here, means this is the menu bar what I create here. Then I just create a file menu, means it's a mnemonic file, and this is j menu, and here I just write file menu which is equal to new j menu, sorry it's j menu. Okay, here I just give it the name to the file, so it's a file, and then file menu dot set, and set which is mnemonic, and then I just write the key event dot vk underscore f. Okay, now I just write menu bar dot add, and then file menu. Now I just create one another class or even other menu which is the name of new, so menu item which is new menu item, which is equal to new j menu item. Okay, and here the name of the menu is new. So after that I just write key event dot vk underscore n. Okay, and file menu dot add, and add here is j sorry new menu item. Okay, now I just write j checkbox menu item, and which is the case of menu items. So I just create here j checkbox menu item, and which is equal to new. So this case menu item is our object here, and then I just write new j checkbox, and here I just write menu item, and simply write case sensitive. Okay, then case menu item, and then I just write set, which is set mnemonic, and then key event under key event dot vk underscore c. Okay, so file menu dot add, and the add here is case menu item, the name of this object. Now frame frame dot set j menu bar, and here I just write it's set frame dot set, and set here is set j menu bar, and then we have the menu bar as a parameter. Okay, so it's small, so b is the capital here. Now I just write frame dot set size, so the size here is 350 x 400, and then frame dot set visible, and the set visible is true. Now I just check the output for this code, and I just run this code here, and you can see file. I just click on this file, and here we have the new file, and then case sensitive, which is checkbox, you can see. So this is JCheckBox menu item. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.